Okay, now I'm back about this, finishing this makeup up, but let me just tell y'all that putting lashes on is not a science. There's not, I mean, if there's a science to it, I've got to find out what it is, because I poked myself in the eye. I had one that just felt weird, so I trimmed it. I think I'll trim all of them from now on. I had them all stuck to my fingers. We're gonna start carrying lashes, so I gotta learn how to do this. I've just never done lashes before, but I will say they make your eyes look like more open. Now I added, after I put the lashes on, I added a little more drama to this eye, so I thought I would come on here and show you how I did that. Oh, and let me show you what else I did. I mean, I don't even know if this is right or not, but I don't use our liquid eyeliner, but I did on this, like after I put them on, I went up here because it was like I could see a little bit of skin between my real lashes and these lashes. And I just took the liquid eyeliner and I drew above them so it'd make it look like one lash. Does that make sense? That was a pretty good hack. Now, I'm going to take a little more of that black and I'm going to pump this eye up a little more and make it just a little more dramatic, because of course, you know me, I put on the most dramatic lashes I had here. And I got them all from like Walmart, I think, when I bought them. And I used the, here it is. It says Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins. It's clear, but it goes on like a, it's kind of a strobe looking color, but it dries clear, and you really do have to let it dry clear before you try to put them on, because I tried that too and now I have glue all over my fingers. So I'm the perfect example of how not to do it, but it is what it is. So hopefully I'll get it down and I can come on here and show you guys how to do it. Most of you probably already know, but not me. I'm gonna go under this eye a little more, because anything I had underneath my eyes, I swiped it off when I was making a mess. Well, I'm glad y'all didn't see that, because that took me a while to do nothing. Okay. Now, much better. Whew, that was interesting. I'll just say that, that was interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of that 03 again, that soft ivory that I really, really love in our line. Boy, I got everything all screwed up from sitting here trying to figure that out. I'm putting a little bit on this brush, and I'm actually gonna go up here. I'm gonna lighten under my eyes a little more, making for a little more drama. See how that cleaned that eye up versus this eye? It's just this light ivory concealer, and it looks a little dramatic. Now, depending on how dark you are, you know, you may use a different color. I'm using 03 because I'm pretty light. And I just use it to kind of clean up. I wonder if Dave will notice, if y'all haven't seen Big D, my husband, I wonder if he's gonna notice my eyes when he comes in. I'll see. But honestly, once you get them on right, you don't really feel them. Like this one is on perfect. It went on perfect. I let it dry properly. This one I didn't. I can feel this one a little bit. I can't feel this one at all. Like I wouldn't even know I had an eyelash on over here. This one I did. So, but I'm pleasantly pleased for my first time. I think I tried them one other time, but did no good at it, so I just didn't do it. But that's one set, and that was the Kiss True Volume Pumped Up Effect. And then I bought some Ardell Wispies to try. And then I have some Ardell, these are Demi Wispies, and then I have some Ardell Black 120s here. See, I tried it another time, but I didn't do well with it. Okay, all right, but we're carrying them, so I'm gonna learn how to do it. And I will say it did make my eye look a little bit better, you know. Okay, all right, now let's get on with a little blush. And what I'm gonna use is our 3-in-1 palette. This is like $19.90. You can find it at makeupwithmarty.com. Contour, blush, and highlighter, and I'm gonna use all 3 of them. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is go in with our blush and just work that up on my cheeks a little. And then, since I have these dramatic eyes on, I'm gonna take our contour and I'm just going. Look at that. Daddy, I'm on live. Okay. That's how it is when you have both your parents living with you. So I got the black off that I smeared across my face. Oh, I'm so perfect. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back in with our, I'm gonna use the 03 face powder. Now, not a whole lot, but you know, some people like it, some people don't. I like it. And I'm just gonna create a little magic here. And then I'm gonna use the 01, which is a lighter, and just go right under my eyes with it. And then I'm going to use our 228 lip liner, kind of a wine color. $6.90. Look at the pigment in this lip liner. That may have been an eyelash on my lip. Because I was pulling and tugging at one point. Okay. I just filled my entire lips in with this. And I'm back to get the 03 concealer. You're gonna need it. Okay. I'm back to the 03 concealer. I'm gonna put just a touch on the center of my lips. Just makes it a little poutier. Now you can use I use lipstick, I use all the things. But today, this lip liner was just perfect for this look. Then I'm gonna go in with our, I'm gonna go in with one of our brand new lip glosses. This is 03. It is a sheer pink with a little shimmer. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And that's it. Guess I'll take my hair down. We'll take a look and see how this looks. Wipe my hands off here. Look out the window while I'm talking to you. Okay, look at that. Not bad. So anybody can do this. You bump the look up as much as you want. My eyelashes ended up being a little more dramatic, so I did bump up the eye look some. You bump it up to what you're comfortable with. Remember, makeup's just to be fun. It's to have fun. Enjoy yourself. Be creative. You know, remember, if you want to try a new eye, try a new eye. Don't just use the same 3 eye colors you've always used or the same 1 eye color. Buy yourself a few extras. I mean, we have great colors at great prices, and if you join, you get them all 50% off. You can go to my website, makeupwithmarty.com, to join. You can find me on Facebook at www.facebook.com/find Marty Perry, MartyPerry, or on my business page, Makeup with Marty. All the places. And if you have any questions or you want any help, feel free to reach out to me. If you're not a beauty influencer with Farmasi, I would love to help you. And if you want to join and maybe do this for a living, please feel free to contact me. I'd love to get you started. And remember what I say, sprinkle. I should get my hair fixed a little better. I don't know. I'm looking kind of flat there, but I have a teasing coming. You know, get off the live right now. Get off the video if you don't want to see this mess. Oh my. Have a little fun, people. Oh, look at there. Dave's not going to recognize me. All right, guys. Have fun. Remember to spread the smiles. Remember, what we're dealing with right now is just temporary. And sprinkle a little sparkle wherever you go. See you soon. Bye-bye.